This evening in Primetime News, water restrictions to begin on Monday.
Green Acres Police Station officially opens despite strong objections.
And later, spear fishers attacked by a 15-foot crocodile. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. A little later on, we'll have the financial week, but here's Spencer Darlington with what's coming up in the Sports Report.
Thank you very much, Kelisha. Well, Jamaica will make another attempt at the London Diamond League meet tomorrow to qualify for the men's sprint relay at the upcoming World Championships in Tokyo, Japan. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
Do you think they can make it, Kelisha?
Guess we'll see.
Fingers crossed that they do. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, here's Romina Robinson with a preview of what's to come in the weather report.
Thanks, Gio. Now, the water restrictions that we are expected to be seeing across the area are as a result of the lower than expected rainfall amounts that have been accumulating across the island, especially across the areas that are being affected by the water restrictions. But I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
And can we also talk about the heat?
Oh, wow. Yes, it is getting really hot.
It is.
Summer.
Yeah. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what's your reaction to NWC's announcement that water restrictions will begin on Monday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.